receiving a check of rupees 1 lakh from our honorable MLA.
MLA ke BJP na ke South Shillong constituency Bah Sanbor Shulai na ke tulop MLA jong ula jingïarap arlak tengka syakin remut ki kena ke badan jingduna ki dkhot met ke belawan syakmat ha ke jing PwD bat ki kamela kai ha kane ke jingyalang laidon lang ki dong elam jongara laban sports social and cultural organization ki dong ba shnong ki bor peniat jong ki skol ki bapet ki kena ke badan jingduna ki dkhot met bat ki bekibai Kasamla preska pengrup kebenalan inkra Shillong kelayo ke jingïarap silak tengka na kebenta badan mi kemat ikari India ha ke arm wrestling bat para arm wrestling kebanlong ha Moldova mentaka snem. Kat bagi sangut ki weipat ki bekentup ya ka Aiselda Thaba kebananong Ston West Khasi Hills Novenius Roy ki dekhar uba namadan kensau no West Janta Hills ka Angkita Das kebanan Lumparing Shillong Serpailin Waklang na nong Ston West Khasi Hills badus kamlang lengdok nong lad na latar ke distrik Ribhoy kiliyo pediang ye kejing ai sungobha bat mar arpo hajar tengkah bat kini barok kidai ki balwan syakmat ke jing PwD bat ki kamela kai
They are very sincere, hard work, dedicated in studies and also in sports. But the message will go. We have experienced, we have seen only in my constituency and in the part of our states that there are students who are normal, who hail from the rich family, going to school by own transportation, coming from school by their own transportation, having extra tuition, paying 4-5 maths teacher or science teacher or extra expenditure they are paying to do the extra tuition, but still they could not success in their stories because they are not sincere. And this is the message that why, if our young students they can do it, they can they are trying their best, they are sincere, they work hard, and they are very successful both into education, sports, and other activities. Why not us? This is the message. So today we felicitate them, and very clear, I'm going to inform to each and every one of you that today the financial assistance, because one of the students, Miss Priska Pungro of Bethany Society, just recently she have all of them, they have secured gold medal, bronze medal, silver medal in the national game, in the state games, national games. I'm very happy to inform you that Miss Priska Pungro has been selected to represent our MLA state at Slovenia, Europe country, which the program which will be the competition will be held in the month of August. She will be leaving, I think, by 14th of August, representing us. And since we don't have any source, so from my 1 month MLA salary earning, because as you are all aware, all 60 MLA or MLA we are getting 2,03,000 per month. 2,03,000 per month, and 1 month salary I have sponsored 1 lakh for Priska Pungro for her transportation and other expenses to travel till Europe to participate in the arm wrestling, para arm wrestling on behalf of each and every one of us. And also 20,000 each for the remaining 5 students who will be participating in the national game very soon, and will have all duly received the medals in various arm wrestling competition in every part of India.